In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files by email using Dropbox. Whether you're dealing with hefty documents, high-resolution images, or even large video files, understanding how to efficiently share them can save you a lot of hassle. We'll cover two methods: sharing a link and using Dropbox Transfer for those particularly large files. First, let's dive into the simplest way to send large files: sharing a link to a file or folder in Dropbox. This method is incredibly straightforward and works well in many situations. Start by uploading your desired file or folder to your Dropbox account. You can do this through the Dropbox website or desktop app, whichever is easiest for you. Once your file is safely stored in Dropbox, locate it either on the web or your desktop application. Hover over the file or folder, and you'll see the option to either share or copy link. When you choose to share or copy the link, you'll be prompted to select permissions. This is important because it allows you to control how others access your file. For example, you can restrict the file to view only or allow downloads. Next, all you need to do is paste the link into your email and send it to your intended recipients. What's great about this approach is that the recipient doesn't need a Dropbox account to access the file. They simply click the link and they'll be able to view or download your file. This method is advantageous because it bypasses the usual email attachment size limits. Instead of attaching a full file, you're essentially providing a door to access it. As a bonus, it keeps your file in full quality, avoiding unnecessary compression that often occurs with email attachments. Plus, you maintain control even after sending the file. You can adjust permissions or remove the link entirely if needed. Now, for those times when your file is particularly large, we're talking tens of gigabytes, or when you're sending something that doesn't need to be edited by the recipient, Dropbox Transfer is the tool you want. Head to Dropbox on the web and navigate to the Transfer section, which can be accessed directly via dropbox.com/transfer. Upload the file or files you wish to send. Depending on your plan, Dropbox Transfer allows you to send larger files, sometimes up to 100 GB or more, in one go. You have additional controls available, such as password protection, setting an expiration date, or opting for download notifications. Once your transfer is ready, you can either get a shareable link or send an email directly through Dropbox to your recipient. They'll then be able to download the files right from the link or the email they receive. This method is particularly well suited for sending final deliverables, like high-resolution videos or large design assets, rather than files intended for collaboration. It offers an added layer of security and ensures your work reaches its destination in pristine condition. Those are two effective ways to send large files using Dropbox. I hope this guide helps streamline your file sharing needs. Happy sharing!